Welcome to Touring Globe. Road Trip Travel Guide, a journey across the open road. Road trips are one of the best ways to explore a country, immerse yourself in local culture, and make lasting memories. Whether you're seeking adventure, serenity, or a bit of both, a road trip offers you the freedom to chart your own course, take detours, and stop whenever something catches your eye. This guide will take you through everything you need to know to prepare for the ultimate road trip experience, from planning the route to packing essentials and safety tips. 1. Choosing the perfect route. The first step in planning your road trip is deciding where to go. Your route will depend on the time you have, the kind of terrain you enjoy, and what kind of experience you want. Here are a few types of road trip routes. Coastal routes. Picture winding along the edge of a crystal clear ocean, with plenty of beaches to stop and enjoy. The Pacific Coast Highway in California or the Great Ocean Road in Australia are some of the most famous routes. Mountain adventures. If you love nature, consider taking a trip through mountain ranges. The Rocky Mountains, the Swiss Alps, or the Andes in South America offer breathtaking views and opportunities for hiking. Historic roads. For history buffs, routes like the US Route 66 or the Silk Road offer a journey back in time, with iconic landmarks, museums, and cultural experiences along the way. National park expeditions. Explore the natural beauty of national parks like Yellowstone, Yosemite, or Banff. These areas provide some of the best camping and hiking experiences. City-to-city adventures. If you want a mix of urban exploration and scenic routes, plan a trip that starts and ends in different cities, with interesting stops in between. Tip: use a road trip planning tool like Google Maps, Road Trippers, or Komoot to help you visualize your route and find interesting stops. 2. Setting the timeline. The amount of time you have will influence the pace of your trip. If you only have a few days, focus on a specific area or region. For longer trips, you'll have more flexibility to take side roads, explore multiple destinations, and discover hidden gems. A few things to consider. Short road trip, 1-3 days, a few hundred miles is achievable, with time to visit key attractions, local spots, and scenic views along the way. Medium road trip, 4-7 days, ideal for a more relaxed pace, where you can enjoy a variety of terrains, towns, and natural sights. Long road trip, 2+ weeks. If you have several weeks, this is your chance to fully explore a region or travel between countries. You could even consider an epic journey like crossing entire continents. 3. Packing essentials. Packing is one of the most important aspects of road trip preparation. The goal is to pack light but ensure that you have everything you need for comfort, safety, and enjoyment. Here's a packing list to get you started. For your car, spare tire and tools including a jack and wrench. Car charger and power bank for your electronics. First aid kit, bandages, pain relief, antiseptic. Cooler with snacks and drinks. Map or GPS device. Even though phones are great, having a backup option is always wise. Travel pillows and blankets for added comfort. Sunglasses and sunscreen for long sunny drives. Window shades for added privacy and sun protection. Personal items. Clothing for all climates. Check the weather forecast for places you're traveling through. Toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, etc. Entertainment books, music playlists, podcasts, audiobooks. Camera or phone with extra memory for all the photo opportunities. Identification and documents, driver's license, car rental info, hotel reservations, etc. For the road, reusable water bottles to stay hydrated. Road snacks like nuts, trail mix, granola bars, fruit, and candy. Hand sanitizer and wet wipes for cleanups. Trash bags to keep your car clean. Emergency numbers in case you run into any issues on the road. 4. Staying safe on the road. Safety should always be a priority. Follow these tips to ensure you stay safe while enjoying your journey. Stay rested. Driving for long periods can be exhausting, and fatigue can cause accidents. Take regular breaks, and if possible, switch driving duties with a travel companion. Obey speed limits. While it can be tempting to rush to your destination, speed limits are there for a reason. Also, watch for areas with heavy enforcement to avoid costly fines. Check your car. Before hitting the road, check your car's oil, tire pressure, fluid levels, and brakes. A well-maintained vehicle is less likely to break down in the middle of nowhere. Plan for emergencies. Have a roadside assistance plan in case of a breakdown or flat tire. Always keep a phone charger in the car and know the emergency numbers of the country you're in. Know the local laws. If you're traveling in a different country or state, make sure you understand local driving laws and customs. 5. Road trip etiquette. Being respectful of other road users is important for ensuring a smooth trip. Here's how you can be a considerate traveler. Respect speed limits. Don't drive too fast or too slow. Driving at a steady, legal pace ensures that everyone can safely enjoy the roads. Yield to others at rest stops. When stopping for a break, try to park your vehicle in a way that doesn't block others, and be quick about it to avoid holding up the line. Use turn signals. Always signal your intentions when changing lanes or merging. It's a simple habit that promotes safety and shows courtesy to other drivers. 6. Making the most of your stops. During your road trip, you'll find plenty of roadside attractions, quirky museums, and local eateries worth exploring. Here's how to make the most of your stops. Embrace spontaneity. Some of the best moments happen when you follow the road less traveled. Stop when something piques your interest, whether it's a small town, an art gallery, or a stunning view. Talk to locals. Stop in towns and ask locals for their recommendations. They may point you to the best hidden spots, local diners, or cultural events that aren't in the guidebooks. Stretch your legs. Long car rides can lead to stiff muscles. Take time to get out, walk around, and enjoy the scenery to stay refreshed. Photograph the journey. Take photos of the landscapes, interesting places, and even the people you meet along the way. These images will be great memories for years to come. 7. Staying flexible. The beauty of a road trip is the ability to change plans on the fly. Don't be afraid to adjust your route if you find something unexpected. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you take an impromptu detour to explore a new town, try a different route, or visit a monument you didn't expect. 8. The road trip playlist. A road trip isn't complete without a great playlist to accompany you. Here are a few genres you might consider. Classic rock. Hit the road with iconic hits from the Beatles, Rolling Stones, or Fleetwood Mac. Indian alternative. Artists like Tame Impala, Vampire Weekend, and Arctic Monkeys can set a chilled, creative vibe. Country and Americana. For a country feel, listen to Johnny Cash, Dolly Parton, or modern artists like Casey Musgraves. 90s hits. If you want some nostalgia, blast some 90s pop, hip-hop, and rock. Instrumental and chill. When you need some calm moments, opt for instrumental music like Hans Zimmer's scores or relaxing acoustic tracks. 9. End of the journey. As you near the end of your road trip, take some time to reflect on the journey. Whether you've traveled hundreds or thousands of miles, the experience of exploring new places, meeting new people, and stepping outside your comfort zone is priceless. Don't forget to take one last photo, thank the road, and start planning your next adventure. Conclusion. A road trip is about more than just the destinations. It's about the experiences, the moments of discovery, and the joy of the journey itself. With careful planning, flexibility, and a sense of adventure, your road trip will surely be an unforgettable experience. So, fill up the gas tank, grab your favorite road trip companions, and hit the road. The adventure is waiting. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the information engaging and valuable. Your viewership encourages us to keep creating and sharing more exciting material. If you enjoyed what you saw, we kindly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and become a part of our growing community. Your subscription not only motivates us, but also helps us reach more viewers like you. Join us on this journey, and together, let's explore new ideas and experiences. See you in the next video.